Vehicle Inspection Systems, a leader in automation for the transportation industry, introduces the future in wheel polishing. VIS-Polish. It used to be that the only way to polish wheels was by hand. A slow, labor-intensive, and dangerous job in which could only produce a limited number of wheels with inconsistent results. They even built contraptions that made the job easier, but they only produced a huge and toxic mess. But now, there's VIS-Polish. What is VIS-Polish? VIS-Polish is a patented, automated, enclosed robotic aluminum wheel refurbishing system, which eliminates the need for full-time labor and experience. And it restores wheels to a mirror-like finish while generating substantial profits. And it's enclosed to prevent injury, direct exposure to dangerous elements, and moving parts. It sands and polishes. It does 19.5s, 22.5s, 24.5s, super singles, and wide steers. It has touch screen controls so even the most inexperienced workers can operate it. Tire on or tire off. It includes a bead cleaning cycle to restore the seal between your tire and wheel. And the VIS-Polish system is compact, leaving valuable floor space available for your other shop needs. VIS-Polish lowers the cost versus manual methods. It requires no full-time labor or experience, efficient use of compounds, buffs, and sanding materials. It can be faster than manual methods, safer, and produces consistent quality. Whereas the manual machine and methods requires experience. It requires full-time labor, inefficient use of supplies, exposure to dangerous elements, possible inconsistent quality. And quality is dependent upon the operator's experience. Let us demonstrate. Look at this wheel. Do you notice the deterioration, rust, and surface pitting? As mentioned before, easy loading of the wheel and no heavy lifting. Wheels with the tire on are loaded the same way. Secure the wheel to the lift using the mounting plate with one nut. And let the machine do the heavy lifting. And on the opposite side of the machine, we'll install a sanding wheel to start the process. A handy utility cabinet allows for easy access to all of your supplies. Easy access to the buff head motor allows quick tooling changes. But a rough aluminum wheel like this one will require that we start with an 80 grit sanding wheel. As you can see, it's a very simple process. We are now ready to begin the sanding cycle. Simply touch the sanding button and you'll be guided by a few easy prompts. Each cycle is about 10 minutes long, so your operator is free to work on other projects. Once the cycle's finished, the machine will park itself at the window for easy workhead changes. Since we started with an 80 grit wheel, we'll need to work the surface area of the wheel with subsequent sanding cycles using finer grit wheels. VIS-Polish is also equipped with a bead cycle. It's also a great way to increase customer satisfaction and produce additional revenues. Now that we've finished sanding, we can start buffing. As you can see, buffs and compounds are very easy to install. There are 2 buffing cycles needed, the cut, and color. We'll start with the cut cycle. The cut cycle is designed to take out the scratching that the sanding cycles made using a compound and an aggressive, consistent force that only a robotic machine can produce. Notice the wheels start to shine. Now that we've removed the sanding scratches, we'll buff the wheel to a mirror finish using a softer buff and finer compound. Press the button marked Color on the touchscreen and watch the remarkable transformation. Now that the wheel is finished, we can see the results of this machine's capabilities. You saw the whole process start to finish in time-lapse. In real time, it took 55 minutes from beginning to end for this wheel, and we only used about $10 of materials in total. Look at the difference. On the right is the wheel before VIS-Polish, and on the left is the wheel after VIS-Polish. Are you ready for a fast, efficient, safer, and cleaner way to refurbish aluminum truck wheels? Would you like to be a VIS-Polish dealer? VIS-Polish isn't just a robotic polishing machine. It's a dealership opportunity. VIS-Polish is a complete, turnkey dealer package to take the guesswork out of starting your new profit center. One price is inclusive of the following: first-year warranty and on-site maintenance, on-site training of up to 5 operators, software license fee, business instructions, training supply of consumables, a co-op advertising program, phone tech support, marketing support, and company-generated leads at no cost to you. VIS-Polish can improve the image of the fleet, reduce outside maintenance costs, and it's a great opportunity for the transit market, and at the same time, reduce overall costs. What's in it for us? Your repeat business. We sell the supplies, and that is our motivation to make sure you have everything you need to be a successful VIS-Polish dealer. The more successful you are, the more successful we are. It's that simple. Don't miss out. Reserve your production slot now. Would you like to know more? Ask a VIS-Polish representative by calling 1-800-837-5145 today or online at vispolish.com.